Hey guys, what's up? I'm Thiago and my nickname is Dimas. I'm 25 years old and my birthday is on March 17th. I live with my family, my mother Maria, my father José and two siblings, Alexandre and Flávia. We are from Araras, São Paulo. Hardly ever we go out together, but we are a happy family. My routine is very busy. On mornings, I wake up at 7 a.m. and I go to work. At midday, I have lunch, and at 1 p.m. I return to work. On evenings, I have to study English and web design. Last year, I woke up at 5 o'clock a.m. because of the gym. I was studying IT at University Claretianas. I can use computers very well and a variety of programs and files. I can't use OS Linux, but I will do courses about it. In my work, I usually use the software ERP and the others, like MySQL and TeamViewer. My work is help desk. I like my work, but my dream is to be graphic designer. I love sports. I can play soccer, but just a little. I like working out, but I hate math. I like drawing, and I love playing video games. On my weekends, I like playing a lot of games. My favorite music genre at the moment is electronic. I like rock and roll too, but I don't remember any lyrics. That is a little about me. See ya guys!